Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Prep CBSE. Today, we are going to revise the first two poems of Poetry section Flamingo textbook class 12th. Before we move ahead, I would like to tell you that if you haven't subscribed the channel, then please subscribe it and also join our Telegram channel. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Question number 1. What is the most likely reason that the poet capitalized young trees? This was meant to A. Convey a clearer meaning, B. Highlight the adjective noun combination, C. Enhance the contrast, or D. Draw a connection with the title. Correct option would be C. Enhance the contrast. Next, correct relationship between the two statements given below is statement 1, the poet knows her mother has aged. Statement 2, the poet feels the pain of separation. Options are A. Beginning ending, B. Question answer, C. Cause effect, or D. Introduction conclusion. Correct option would be cause effect. Next, which of the following is matched correctly? A. Young trees sprinting, personification. B. Pale as a late winter's moon, personification. C. The merry children spilling, simile. Or D. Old familiar ache, simile. Correct option would be young trees sprinting, personification. Next, the tone of the poet in the poem is primarily a combination of dash and dash. Dauntlessness, apprehension, dejection, disappointment. Options are 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 3 and 4, or D 1 and 4. Correct option is B 2 and 3, apprehension and dejection. Next, choose the option that displays the same literary device as in the given lines of the extract. Her face ashen like that of a corpse. A. Just as I had this thought, she appeared, and B. My thoughts were as heavy as lead that evening when. C. I think like everyone else who. Or D. I like to think aloud when. So correct option would be option B. My thoughts were as heavy as lead that evening when. Next, which of the following is not correctly matched? A. Like rootless weeds, simile. B. Paper seeming boy, metaphor. C. Future painted with fog, pun. Or D. Spectacles of steel, alliteration. So we have to choose the incorrect option. So incorrect option would be C. Future painted with fog, pun. Next, the gusty waves most likely indicate A. Survival and struggle, B. Verve and brightness, C. Drudgery and dullness, or D. Animation and alertness. Correct option would be option B. Verve and brightness. Next, the phrase weighed down head doesn't refer to being A. Burdened by poverty, B. Ashamed at her plight, C. Distressed due to difficulties, or D. Dizzy with a headache. Correct option is D. Dizzy with headache. Next, a child in the slum experiencing the dreary life would have the least access to A. Shelter, B. Information, C. Water, or D. Education. Here correct option would be option B. Information. Next, the stunted unlucky air of twisted bones means A. Boy is healthy, B. Boy has paralyzed bone due to an accident, C. Boys has inherited disability, or D. None of these? Correct option is C. Boy has inherited disability. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon